Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. It is back to work on the greenhouse today. Today I'm returning the cement, the leftover cement, so I've got that loaded in the truck. I'm trying out, these are the aluminum rails that form the base of the greenhouse, and they kind of attach in the corners. So I'm just laying it out, making sure they fit in my foundation. So I figured out how many cement blocks I need for the single row. So I kind of did some calculations here, right here. So I need 30 blocks and then 30 kind of capper blocks that go on top, and then the frame will sit on top of that. So a big load. So I've got to go to the store now, get all these blocks, load them into the truck and bring them back. So a lot of heavy lifting today. Luckily it's a cooler day today. Here's the concrete loaded in the truck. I'm only returning 4 of them. I had 8 left over. My wife's going to keep 4 for some of her projects. This is only the second time I've driven the truck this summer. Once to get all the cement, and the second time will be to get all these blocks. So yeah, it hasn't been used a whole lot this year, but it'll be fun driving it today. Okay, let's get a window open here. Whew. It's starting to heat up today. Got to find the key. It's in one of these pockets here. Here we go. Okay, so this is a cold start. Hasn't run for quite a few weeks. So here I go. Keys in. I think I'm going to go 5 pumps of the gas pedal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, almost. There it goes. That wasn't too bad a start for sitting for so long. All right, off we go here. I don't know if I'll be able to fit all 30 blocks in the truck at once, and I'll have to make a couple of trips because I've got all those 30 cappers to go on top of it then, and I've got the mortar. I think I just need 1 big bag of mortar, but I'm not sure what size it comes in. I've never done any cement block work before, so this will all be new for me. It'll be kind of interesting. I watched a video or 2 on it, and it doesn't look easy, but you know, you learn by trying things. Yeah, just like bonsai. If you don't try pruning bonsai and styling it and root pruning, you never really learn how to do it properly. And all my load's still in there, yeah, looks good. All right, I'm here at the hardware store. Just parked the truck over here. Right here, I think. Yep, right there. I'm at the hardware store. They didn't have any 8-inch blocks. They only had 6 and 10-inch, so I'm gonna have to try somewhere else. They are taking my 4 bags of concrete back, so I've just got to wait for that. And I did pick up a bag of mortar to put all these cement blocks together eventually. It's kind of nice to see the truck out in the open here. Really cool. Okay, so no 8-inch cement blocks here, So I'm going to try another place in town, see if they have them. If not, I don't know, I might have to use 10-inch blocks, the big boys. All right, here we go. All right, we're here at the second place. I'll see if I can get my blocks here. Not quite sure where I'll park. Maybe I'll park over here. Yeah, see how it goes here. So they do have the 8-inch blocks here. They're closing in like 5 minutes, so I'm going to come back tomorrow morning and pick them up. So tonight I'm working on leveling out the floor here. I'm going to take it down flush with the concrete, and then I'll put the cement blocks in, and then I'll fill the middle of the floor with gravel. So there's a really nice layer of topsoil in here. This was my bonsai area, and over the years I kept putting wood chips on it so it would build up, decompose, build up, decompose. And over the years I think I've got, you know, a good amount of topsoil on there. Underneath that is clay, so most of the topsoil will get removed. I'll ship it over by my other area, and I'll have a nice base of clay here to put the gravel on top of. Oh, that's a load. The ducks are just loving the soil I put down. They're going through it looking for insects and worms. Keeping very busy. It's starting to get dark out, but I'll do as much as I can tonight. Well, it's getting quite dark out. I'll have to pack it in for tonight. I've got to get up early tomorrow morning to pick up the cement blocks for the perimeter here and the cappers that go on top of them. So I think that's it for tonight. I'll see you in the morning.